My name is Adam Griffin. I'm an electrical engineer. I've been working on this technology for about 5 years, and I've been working on electrical engineering for 33 years. What I like about this conference is that I met Aaron and Paul, and I'm hoping to meet Mr. Dollar.
No.
That's what I like most. And the purpose of this experiment is to provide a method for people to learn about longitudinal waves.
I'm originally from Seattle.
And this is a kit that has a transmitter.
Yeah, I was down there.
This transmitter contains a computer that talks to my monitor. It contains a pulse source. It's actually 50 nanosecond wide pulses of 1 amp and 5 volts. It's doing it about 8 million times a second. So let me demonstrate. If I push the button on this transmitter, it's talking to the monitor and it's telling me what it's doing. Meanwhile, the current is being measured by this current probe and displayed on the scope. Notice these LEDs are not lit up at this frequency. It's still stepping. See, it's about to find the longitudinal wave, and there it is at the maximum illumination. Now I can go on my keyboard and tell the transmitter to change frequency. I'm typing freq, F-R-E-Q, on my software, which is described in this brochure, and there's a lot of accompanying other information. I'm going to tell it to go back to the longitudinal frequency.
Whatever, yeah.
There it is. We have a maximum illumination. Here's something interesting as well. This current probe is displaying the current through this wire that connects to the transmitter. If I disconnect, now there should be nothing reading. This current probe is reading current in a wire that's not hooked up to anything. This $500 probe is designed to measure current. How could there be current in this wire? I don't know.
Is that one of the anomalies that they were?
Well, I don't know if they're talking about it, but
Yeah.
I've discovered it.
Okay.
It's just a maddening thing. But I'm not going to try to understand everything. If
Well-
Eric comes over here, maybe he can tell me about this feature.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. So thank you for...
You're welcome, and thank you for sharing your technology.